USDCHF today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against what? Swiss franc. Now before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel, so go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And check out the brokers in the profile right here and sign up with these brokers because I want you to trade with my signals in a separate account because I need the accuracy, the accurate data, how many signals did you lose or win? Okay, so we'll talk about that in Telegram. Make sure you are into my Telegram. Coming back to the chart here, starting at top and approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly we are down, massively down, created a new low. Look for shorts. Okay, so daily we are again down, down, new low created again. So it will be smart to enter a short after the pullback. Okay, in daily we don't have the entry, but we have the trend confirmation. So daily we can say that we are down. Okay. For our what should be our entry, looks like downtrend. That we did not have the we did not have the fuel for the dollar to push up, so we again are going down. Okay, so entry, I can tell you this is an entry. Okay, so if I use my line again here, this is your entry. So this blue candle has been eaten by this previous red candle. Then we have another red candle which has closed below my line. Okay, so entry was supposed to be here. If you enter down right now, short, if you enter sell right now, that's your trade. But what is your take profit? Hard to say. Okay. So in USDCHF, I can give you the entry right here. But what is your exit? I don't know in this because right now, I think USDCHF is the lowest. It has broken all the previous lows. And it's about to create a new low. Okay, so normally people don't trade USDCHF. Maybe some people might do, but I have enough enough pairs to trade. I can trade Euro, GBP, and many other pairs. Okay, so yeah, I'm not sure about the exit on this USDCHF. Entry is right here. I can see entry is this candle. You can enter sell right now, but whatever what will be your take profit, I have no idea. Okay. If you trade your USDCHF, you can enter right now and then take a profit as per your analysis. Otherwise, just trade Euro, GBP, other pairs. Okay, so that's USDCHF for you. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, share, join Telegram, join the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.